To create a new Zoom meeting, you simply go to teal-edu.zoom.us, log into your account, click on Schedule a Meeting, give it a title. I would suggest just making them recurring meetings, then you can just use your one link for the rest of the semester. I would put the number of recurrences as no fixed time. You can choose whether you want a passcode or a waiting room. You have to have one, or you can use both. You can't choose neither. I prefer the waiting room, so I'm going to unclick passcode. I'm going to click the Save button, and now it's going to show me my scheduled meeting. From here, you have a couple of choices. You can copy the invitation and email it to your students. However, that does become confusing if they're trying to manage 5 different classes with multiple links. So the other, and I suggest the recommended procedure, is to copy and paste this URL and then go into your course in Moodle, select Add an Activity or Resource, click the URL resource, title your meeting, paste the URL into the external URL link, and then save and return to course. Now what will happen is that your students will use this link within Moodle to open up their Zoom meeting. However, as the host, you still need to make sure that you log in through your teal-zoom.us account so that Zoom knows that you are actually the host and not trying to open the meeting through the link in Moodle as a student. And then you simply click Start and